My name's Greer, Behan-Willett, and I'm a mining engineer for Downer at Commodore Mine, where we are today. What that entails is doing designing and planning work and generally problem solving any problems that happen at the mine. There are a couple of digging methods that we use here. We use a truck and shovel method. So what they do is they pick up the dirt and they put it into the truck and that goes to the dump, or they pick up coal and bring it to the hopper, which takes it straight to the power station. Also, you can have dozers. So what dozers do, they're like pushing machines. So they push the dirt into a hole and that exposes the coal beneath it. There's lots of different designs that go into a mine. You've got to design water flow, you've got to design how the digger digs, you've got to design how the dozer pushes. So there's a whole raft of designs that go into a mine. Also scheduling. So you've got to schedule where the diggers move, and how they take the coal and what coal they take when, which is really important for maintaining consistent coal flow to the power station, making sure that you always have coal exposed and that your areas are going to work well for your long-term plan. If you'd have asked me in high school what a mining engineer does, I'd have no clue. I really developed my expectation through university about what kind of job a mining engineer does through site visits and working part-time in the Downer mining office. By the time I graduated, I had a really good expectation about what a mining engineer would be.
Copy 210C, Shannon.
Copy, mate.
3 vehicles right to come onto your dual pattern.
Yeah, that'll be fine for you, yeah.
Copy that. Thanks, Shannon.
I love most about being a mining engineer is the ability I have to change things. I get to design things and they happen in real life with huge multi-million-dollar machines. That's just so exciting. It's really fun. The other thing I love about being in mining is that it's such an important part of the Australian economy, so I really enjoy giving back that way. We're using the drone to fly down to the digger so we can inspect the digger and the work area without putting ourselves in danger near the trucks and machinery. Technology has changed the way I work because it's provided me data more quickly, better quality data, which makes me make better decisions. It's also made the mining industry or my work a bit safer because I don't need to go straight to an active mining area where there's lots of hazardous activities occurring. I can stay out of that danger zone.